1. 1973 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $15,000, located in Wellington, Ohio. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag car designed for serious eighth-mile racing performance while still offering the classic appearance of an early 70s Chevrolet muscle machine. Finished with an aggressive race-inspired setup, the vehicle is powered by a strong 355 small-block Chevrolet engine equipped with AFR aluminum cylinder heads and a solid roller camshaft for high-performance power delivery. The combination is matched with a Powerglide transmission and trans brake system, making the car highly competitive on the drag strip. The vehicle features professional K&R wiring along with an ADP racing carburetor that helps maximize throttle response and acceleration. The car reportedly runs consistent mid-7-second times in the eighth mile, making it a strong performer for bracket racing and weekend competition events. Included with the sale is a vintage enclosed trailer equipped with functional lights, brakes, and good tires, providing a convenient transportation setup for racers. Although the car is sold without title, it remains an attractive option for racing enthusiasts seeking a lightweight and proven drag platform with strong performance capability and classic Nova styling. 2. 1970 Dodge Challenger Coupe. Price, $35,000, located in Green Bay, Wisconsin. This 1970 Dodge Challenger Coupe is an extreme high-horsepower Mopar muscle car built for serious street and strip performance. Finished in a striking purple exterior with a black interior, the car delivers the aggressive appearance expected from one of the most iconic muscle cars of the 70s. The body remains solid overall and only requires minor cosmetic refinements to become an outstanding show-quality machine. Under the hood sits a blown 392 Hemming engine fitted with a stroker kit, creating a powerful 399 cubic inch combination capable of producing extraordinary horsepower. The engine has been professionally tuned on premium pump fuel while also offering even greater output when operated on E85 fuel. Performance upgrades include a large Demon carburetor, Dana 60 rear end, fully built automatic transmission, reverse valve body, and tubbed rear section capable of fitting massive drag racing tires. The drivetrain has been engineered to withstand extremely high power levels while still remaining street capable. This Challenger represents a rare opportunity to own a professionally built Mopar muscle car with aggressive styling, incredible power potential, and serious collector appeal. 3. 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline Pro Street. Price, $18,500, located in Paducah, Kentucky. This 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline Pro Street is a beautifully customized classic featuring a unique combination of vintage styling and modern performance upgrades. The timeless body lines of the late 40s Chevrolet remain instantly recognizable while the custom build transforms the vehicle into a comfortable and powerful street machine designed to stand out at local shows and cruise events. The car has been upgraded with a modern drivetrain and dashboard sourced from a mid-1990s Trans Am, bringing improved performance, comfort, and reliability to the classic platform. Additional convenience features include functional heat and air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks, making the car much more enjoyable for regular driving. The vehicle runs and drives very well, providing smooth road manners along with the unmistakable character of an old-school custom build. Inside, the cabin features a clean custom interior that complements the exterior styling. Although the paint does show some cracking in certain areas, the vehicle remains visually impressive overall. This Fleetline is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a classic pro street style cruiser with modern comfort and unique personality. 4. 1961 Morris Minor 1000 Street Strip. Price, $30,000, located in Berea, Kentucky. This 1961 Morris Minor 1000 Street Strip car is an incredibly unique lightweight performance machine built for both street driving and competitive drag racing. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior with matching purple interior, the car combines classic British styling with extreme American V8 horsepower to create an unforgettable custom build that attracts attention everywhere it goes. Power comes from a Dart-based 434 cubic inch engine fitted with Brodix cylinder heads and capable of producing more than 600 horsepower naturally aspirated. The setup also includes a powerful nitrous system capable of adding substantial additional performance when activated. Weighing approximately 1,700 pounds, the car delivers extraordinary acceleration and has the potential to compete in 9-second drag racing classes. The drivetrain and chassis have been carefully assembled for performance and reliability, while the lightweight body contributes to the car's exceptional power-to-weight ratio. Extensive paperwork is included with the build, showing the level of investment and detail involved. This Morris Minor is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a highly unusual and extremely fast street and strip machine. 5. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $29,000, located in Calgary, Alberta. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu is a heavily modified street and strip machine built around a powerful big block Chevrolet engine and a professionally prepared drag racing setup. Finished with an aggressive stance and tubbed rear section, the car combines classic late 70s styling with serious straight-line performance. The body remains solid overall and the vehicle is currently licensed and insured, allowing it to be enjoyed on both the street and at racing events. Under the hood sits a massive 505 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and high stall converter. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with aggressive gearing for rapid acceleration. High-quality performance components including Jesel and Brodix parts have been installed throughout the engine build, representing a significant investment in horsepower and durability. The car also features a complete roll cage with swing-out door bars for improved safety and easier cabin access. Although some minor finishing work remains, this Malibu offers outstanding performance potential and a strong foundation for anyone seeking a serious pro-street-style muscle car. 6. 1984 Ford Mustang LX Hatchback. Price, $27,000, located in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. This 1984 Ford Mustang LX hatchback is a professionally built drag racing machine designed for modern big tire competition and no prep racing events. The car has been purpose-built for high performance while still maintaining the iconic appearance of the legendary Fox body Mustang platform. Finished in bright orange exterior paint, the vehicle carries an aggressive race-ready stance that immediately stands out both on the street and at the track. Power comes from a big block engine paired with a Powerglide transmission and nitrous setup, delivering strong acceleration and consistent performance in competitive racing classes. The chassis includes a professionally TIG welded roll cage, for link rear suspension, and large rear tire setup engineered for maximum traction on difficult racing surfaces. The car reportedly hooks extremely well on no prep tracks, making it highly desirable for modern drag racing competition. This Mustang has been carefully assembled with quality components and is described as ready to race immediately. Its combination of classic Fox body styling, professional race preparation, and proven performance capability make it an outstanding opportunity for serious racing enthusiasts. 7. 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS. Price, $30,000, located in Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS, known as Maldos, is an extremely high-end custom performance build combining luxury styling with race-inspired engineering and supercharged power. Finished in a striking red exterior with gray interior accents, the vehicle maintains the iconic appearance of the legendary Impala SS while incorporating extensive upgrades throughout the drivetrain, suspension, and interior systems. The heart of the build is a professionally assembled 383-stroker engine paired with a ProCharger F-Series supercharger and premium AFR CNC cylinder heads. Additional upgrades include custom camshaft components, forged internals, advanced engine management system, and water-to-air intercooling setup designed to support major horsepower output. The drivetrain uses a Rossler TH400 transmission with trans brake and Ford 9-inch rear end for maximum durability. Inside, the car features a full roll cage, racing harnesses, aftermarket gauges, and upgraded steering wheel. Suspension improvements include Willwood brake components and bead lock racing wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson slicks. This Impala SS is an elite performance build intended for serious enthusiasts seeking exceptional power and show-quality presentation. 8. 1971 Ford Maverick. Price, $30,000, located in Linville, Indiana. This 1971 Ford Maverick is a professionally built turbocharged drag racing machine featuring a custom square tube chassis and extensive competition hardware throughout. Designed specifically for serious racing performance, the vehicle combines lightweight construction with advanced suspension and drivetrain upgrades to create a highly capable strip-focused setup. The aggressive blue exterior further enhances the car's race-inspired appearance and unique character. The chassis features ladder bar suspension, anti-roll system, adjustable strange and AFCO shocks, Willwood brakes, and a professionally prepared rear end equipped with strong spline axles and aggressive gearing. The drivetrain includes a JW Powerglide transmission, racing converter, onboard air system, and parachute launcher setup for high-speed track use. Power comes from a Dart-based engine fitted with Yates cylinder heads, upgraded valve train components, turbo grind camshaft, and twin turbochargers. The engine has only a small amount of runtime since being refreshed and was originally prepared by a respected racing engine builder. Combined with the lightweight chassis and E85 carburetor setup, this Maverick delivers exceptional drag racing performance and serious competition potential. 9. 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $16,500, located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS is a beautifully upgraded classic muscle car that combines strong street performance with timeless Chevrolet styling. Finished in blue exterior paint with a black interior, the car presents a clean and aggressive appearance that perfectly matches its performance-oriented setup. The iconic Nova bodylines and 4-speed manual transmission make this vehicle especially desirable for enthusiasts who enjoy classic muscle cars with a more engaging driving experience. The engine has received numerous upgrades including bored cylinders, larger pistons, performance camshaft modifications, and a full exhaust system with upgraded tips. These enhancements help deliver improved horsepower, stronger throttle response, and the deep exhaust tone expected from a properly built 70s muscle machine. A recently installed front suspension kit also contributes to improved handling and road feel during cruising or spirited driving. The car is described as running and driving flawlessly while maintaining a clean title and solid overall condition. Its combination of classic styling, upgraded mechanical components, and manual transmission performance makes this Nova SS an excellent opportunity for collectors and muscle car enthusiasts seeking a reliable and enjoyable American classic. 10. 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle SS Clone. Price, $27,000, located in Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle SS Clone is a fully customized American muscle car featuring extensive modifications designed to create a unique street and show vehicle. Finished in green exterior paint with a matching custom interior, the car combines classic Chevelle styling with modern custom touches that immediately draw attention wherever it appears. Power comes from a strong 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a 4-link rear suspension setup, narrowed rear end, and positive traction gearing to improve stability and traction. Additional upgrades include fully disc brakes, chrome engine accessories, custom dashboard, electric seating, and oversized custom wheels that give the vehicle an unmistakable show car appearance. The interior has been heavily modified with a custom-built dashboard, upgraded gauges, entertainment screens, and modern styling elements. Features such as shaved doors, custom trunk setup, and Lamborghini-style doors further separate the vehicle from traditional muscle car builds. This Malibu represents a highly personalized custom project with significant investment and strong visual impact. 11. 1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. Price, $14,000, located in Canton, Michigan. This 1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe is a dedicated drag racing roller built with serious competition components and aggressive pro street styling. Featuring a tubbed rear section and roll bar setup, the vehicle has been transformed into a lightweight race-focused platform ready for drivetrain installation and final assembly. The classic first-generation Firebird body style continues to make this car highly desirable among Pontiac enthusiasts and drag racing fans alike. The chassis includes ladder bar rear suspension, coilover shocks, disc brake system, and a 12-bolt rear end fitted with strange performance components for improved durability under hard launches. Additional racing equipment includes a fuel cell, MSD fuel system, and modern digital dashboard setup designed for track monitoring and performance tuning. Although sold as a roller only, the vehicle provides an excellent starting point for anyone looking to build a custom strip car with vintage muscle car character. The aggressive stance and race-prepared chassis create outstanding potential for future performance builds. This Firebird is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a classic Pontiac project with strong drag racing foundations already completed. 12. 1977 Chevrolet C10. Price $22,000, located in Hillsdale, Michigan. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 is a highly modified street performance pickup combining classic truck styling with powerful supercharged V8 performance. Finished in black exterior paint with a clean blue interior, the truck offers a bold and aggressive appearance while maintaining excellent overall condition. The body is described as rust-free and capable of dependable long-distance driving, making it suitable for both cruising and performance events. Under the hood sits a supercharged small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and performance converter. The engine build includes AFR cylinder heads, hydraulic roller valve train, blow-through carburetor setup, upgraded intake system, and TorqueStorm supercharger. Supporting modifications include aeromotive fuel system components, upgraded driveshaft, strengthened rear suspension, and performance gearing for improved acceleration. The truck also features modern steering upgrades, aftermarket wheels and tires, C-notch frame modification, and beautifully maintained wood bed flooring. Interior condition remains very clean with no major damage visible. This Chevrolet C10 offers an excellent combination of classic truck style, modern horsepower, and reliable street performance.